Formulation and manufacturing, these two terms are confusing our very beloved students. My dears, don't be confused. Formulation and manufacturing, these two terms are very simple. Formulation is actually the design, the framework, the map which you are supposed to follow, which you are supposed to concentrate. And manufacturing is, yes, producing. So you produce something looking to the design or to the framework or to the map. That is it, simple. For example, we want to make a tablet. So we will first of all go for the design. So what is the framework, what is the map to make a tablet? So if we have the design, according to that design, if we make it, so we have done the manufacturing. If we look to the design, if we are looking to the design, so we are just looking at the formulation. And if we make something or if we produce something looking to the formulation, we did manufacturing. That is simple. Manufacturing is producing something, while formulation is the design or the formula. You can also say it is actually a formula. Formulation is a formula, a design, a framework, or a map. Manufacturing is producing something according to the formula, the design, the framework, and the map. So I hope it is clear now. Don't be confused. For more, you can have an online class with us, Dr. UUT Lectures. Thank you.